Some unity say penny wa resign the mum se pass namde so na ama ni wodi ni dibia to ho no yentumi ehunu adekode airport yenti na no fiada waja ni dibremu ato ho na copec fo so amo hom ne so a wo mo chese aban enye hwehwemu ensi ase e wo saa ensam ne ho na ye pese ye di nkomo ewom na ansa na no ye de ni be che NPP amanyokuo mu ebiewu na wei oru akobi amo amensa na de atudwa se Asonafo South Mashebedwa edwa no wo behwe na waje e de ama NPP
contributions e de ama temamufuo no obi wo ha just obe pre bibia ansana oye bibi enti na me say ye team ye say amfo and a training to aso we health screening asem free wa oba scholarship we can health screening every year bia no my on prensa 50,000 Ghana cedis en wrong kwa Ode no so nchen o sign ba scholarships. My foundation, I friend Amwa Mensa Education, Nurturing and Development Foundation. Not even some assemblyman, no, not me restricted and come electoral area, but to Sana Mono, Atra, Mimpesuaso, Saudru Quapo, and Asan Quarry, and Asa Impotentians in Waso, and Asa Nakate, Miwankwa, was saying Crasia, Webuna, Umbetimi, Adiamon Sansu say. Meno me scholarships, Amen Foundation scholarships no ebia so amoso o hia leader obetimi akopre agi bibiaba enya se wo kan twi nko say twi mo say abrofo you need somebody who's able to go out there and bring things back to the community and me gidi say obeso afo sa ye contestants nyina so a okay nyina boma omo nyina ate ase se kwabia mo amensa e ba se yenko na yenkoko yenji bibi me pesu aso dia and dey me number 1 if the president Mahama can be gotten rid of then obviously then surely Eric Opoku obviously you be to the same way as Asonafo South development by na Asonafo South yemfa Nobeko kwan a kwan from Nobeko go see the Chrome Sound Quarry so I'm so na new me engineer, me a civil engineer. Men can somebody bottom sika and I buy us our way. But me nim be able to me up one lobby, I'm Yasha Kwan. Or your minister now, Bro half, deputy Bro half regional minister. Or some regional minister, Bro half region. And dear pan or about in terms of infrastructure and development. Insignificant.